figured out a way to talk out here using less words. What a time saver. Be like you talk. Be like you talk. Don't think just like talk for it.
So, what are you doing out here?
Oh my God. Holy smokes.
Jesus. It's hailing. This is like the biggest hail we've ever seen in Plymouth, Michigan.
Where do you find food and stuff?
Food?
And
You hungry?
watching My Name's Earl.
Weird. I think he's gone crazy.
Oh no, he seems happy.
It's hailing hard as heck.
Maybe we're the crazy ones for not living like this. This is my hot wife, Charlene. No, he's the crazy one. Yeah. Food. Hot wife. Perfect life.
And then I realized why he was crazy. Me and Randy had seen those berries before. Back when I was married to Joy and the bill collectors got to be too much, sometimes we'd go camping.
Yeah, I'll be honest. There's a barn having me at work right now.
Joy, what's wrong with you?
Say something to work me out. Hello? Anybody home?
Baby, no! How about we skip the berries and
Look at
go
this.
in my car and get a pizza?
You're using too many words.
Pizza. Hold on. We go.
Rubber face!
Poor guy. Living out here eating crazy berries.
This is all for now.
We gotta bring